So I'm back out here on a walk, and I want to talk about something that I think every gamer feels, but nobody is saying directly, and that's games aren't fun anymore. And I don't mean the games themselves, I mean the experience of playing them. Because somewhere along the way, gaming went from something you did to have fun to something that feels like a second job. Every game now has a battle pass, every game has daily challenges, and it feels like every game has seasonal content that forces you to log in or you miss out. And if you miss a week, you're behind forever. It used to be you could just play a game, load it up, have fun, turn it off. Now there's FOMO everywhere. They've weaponized your time against you. And here's the thing that gets me, all of this is pretty much on purpose. Games hire behavioral psychologists now, actual psychologists whose job is to make sure you keep coming back. They're not designing fun anymore, they're designing addiction. And the worst part is, you're paying for it. You're paying $80 for a game, then $20 for a battle pass, then $10 for cosmetics you really don't even need. And after spending $100 in 40 hours, you realize you haven't had a single moment where you actually just enjoyed yourself. You were chasing progress the whole time, grinding and checking boxes. I played a game last week that I genuinely loved for the first 2 hours, and then I realized I was being funneled into doing the same 3 tasks over and over again just to make progress. And for me, it wasn't really much fun. It was designed to feel like just making progress just for the sake of making progress. And that's not gaming anymore. It just really feels like work, and it's a job that doesn't pay anything. So I want to hear from you guys, because if you played Fortnite in the last year, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Tell me, do games feel fun anymore, or do they feel like obligations? And what's a game that used to be fun that you literally can't play anymore because of all the extra stuff they've added? And honestly, do you even remember what gaming felt like before all of this? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about the games we actually enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.